Welcome back guys in the lecture of HTML. Today we are going to learn the types of inputs in HTML. As in the previous lecture we have covered these two topics, that is how to create a text input field and password input field. Okay guys. So in this lecture we will cover more, like I will show you here. Okay, here. Okay, so this is also input type of checkbox. Okay, in which we can select multiple option from a group, and this is called radio button. Means we can select only one option among the group, like, okay. And this is input type of date. hmm? It will show you as calendar, okay, to select date. And this is a drop down we called as select box. Select box. Okay, and this is of file type. By using this we will upload images, PDF, or any type of files while development, while doing development, or later on we will go on this topic. Okay, as we move on development process we will use this, and we will show how to upload file using any dynamic language, okay, in the database. Okay guys, so for being time we are studying, just we are focusing on website designing. Okay, so after completing website designing we will move ahead on development. Okay guys, so I think it's clear. So I have created here a HTML file, okay, through which you can learn, I think. So this will be clearly mentioned here, like to create a checkbox we have to just give input type name called checkbox. Okay, I will show you the output also, where it is. Okay, see, the first one is our checkbox, PHP and C++, multiple option we can select. Okay, and the second is radio buttons. You just simply have to write here radio, input type radio. And in case of radio buttons, these two attributes are mandatory. Okay, in the later on you will get to learn, like we need this attribute in every input box. Okay, so right now we don't need it, but to make radio button in working position you have to mention here, because in the radio button we have to give same name to all the radio buttons, but the value that we are going to insert in the database should be different. Okay, so now what will happen if you select male and if you select female? So only one option you can select by using this. Okay, the third type is date. Just simply give type equal to date. It will come like this. First it is showing month, day and year. Okay, so we can do in Indian format also using JavaScript. We will learn in that when the times come. Okay, when the time comes. Okay, right? So now the fourth type is select box. How to create a select box? It is also of container type. Okay, opening and closing. Within a select box you have to write option. Okay, like option PHP, option close, another option C++, and option tag close. Okay, so if you run, by default it is showing PHP, and if you click the drop down is coming C++. But normally we used to give the first name as select language. Okay, we don't want to show people by default language. Okay, so they will select it, just click and they will select it whatever they want. Okay, and the fifth one is file type. Okay, just give the type name equal to file. It will come like this. Just, if you click, it will ask you to select a file and your file name will come here. And how to insert this file in the database, we will learn while starting, when we will start the development process. Okay. And the last one is input type equal to email. Okay, means anything at the rate gmail or whatever the domain is. Okay, so what is the difference between text file and email? Here the at the rate should be compulsory in type of email. So this is the difference. Okay guys, so I think it's clear. Now this is your task that you have to complete it. First type is email, you have to give email, and second is password, again password. Text. For mobile number, you can prefer number. Okay, only number will be entered. Address, for address, text. For zip you can prefer number, and here is the country, you have to prefer select box or drop down. Okay guys, so complete the task and mail me, and catch you in the next lecture guys. Till then, do practice guys. Okay.